Want this quality? First, open Topaz and put the video you want to upscale. Set video quality to low and select Proteus, fine-tune, and copy my settings. You can adjust these to your likings, but this is what I normally use. Output size to 200%, grain off, and CRF to 10. Now start processing. You can also take a step further by adding details and sharpen in After Effects. After finish exporting, go to After Effects. Select the video you upscaled. Scale it to 50% and add an adjustment layer. Now add S-Sharpen and copy my settings. Add unsharp mask and you're done. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments.